All right, hi, I'm Millie Mary, and I'm the Closet Quilter. Today I want to show you something that I use quite often. It's called a CUTIE sock. It is not something sold by the Grace Company. They know nothing about it. This is, well, maybe they do by now, but I made these. These are quilted tubes with holes in them. Why, you may ask? Because, well, first of all, you might ask, why are you using CUTIE socks? Have you ever had a floating quilt and your back is on this and you want to hit the edge and you've got just the backing going over here and you try to clip it and it slips on through, doesn't grip? CUTIE socks. Here we go. Slip those in, and you'll notice, before I begin, you'll notice I've taken the hooks off my back straps. These hooks, took them off, just to make it easy on myself. You'll see why. Getting that through, and when it comes through, okay, there, moving this all the way down for expediency. Okay, as you can see, it works much faster this way. It doesn't catch on the hooks. Now, you can make your own, you can do whatever you want, but this is how I do it. Just willy-nilly. I had some quilted fabric and I made little tubes. Very simple. It's a very simple thing. You can make fancy ones, you can make these. Either way, it works. So, this is the last one, so I want to get that. There. Okay, I'm going to go through here. And when I hit the thing, I just pull it through. There. That one's in. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to work. There. Okay. Now this one, I'm just going to pull this through. Okay. There's one. And this one can go through. Just thread it on through. And there. Okay. And this one. Now this one is through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off. I'm going to move it down and do it the other way. Whatever works is what I say. When you make those holes, you'll figure out where you want your holes to be. And then voila. You too will have your CUTIE socks working like a charm. There. Now, everybody's in place. There. Okay? See these? Makes it so easy. And when you put your backing fabric on there and you put your smoothie clips on it, it will grip. There. I give you the CUTIE socks. And now you just have to put the hooks on. These are very important. These hooks are what keep your fabric from being sewn on. So this is how I do it. I start from the top. I go on the second one, come back on the third one, and pull to my desired tension. Okay, slides down. And then when you put your clamp on, you just clamp your fabric. That easy. I hope this has helped you, and I hope that you enjoy your CUTIE socks if and when you do make them. They are very helpful, believe you me. I have had more than my share of frustration with this. But maybe one day Grace will make CUTIE socks. But until that time, go ahead, quilt some fabric, make your own, customize it, make it yours. Have a great quilting day, and thanks for stopping by the Closet Quilter.